1987, NASA sent two robotic Voyager spacecraft on an ambitious exploratory tour to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, the four giant outer planets. Their epic journey took 12 years to complete, but they acquired more scientific data about our solar system than had been learned in the previous 5 centuries.